Hey guys! It's your girl Cheska and welcome to my channel! For this video, gagawa tayo ng makeup review. So, magre-review tayo ng makeup product which is perfect dahil mamaya meron tayong Zoom meeting. Ang usong-usong Zoom meeting ngayon sa panahon ng pandemic. But anyway, ang product na i-review natin ay nandito. Ayan, this is from JeLixer Shoppe. And my Ate Jelly was the owner of it. And she was kind enough to send me the product to try and to share my thoughts with you guys. But that doesn't mean I'm going to be biased with what I'm going to say. And you guys know me. I'm all about brows, kilay on flick, kilay is life, and everything. So, titingnan natin kung kaya ba akong tulungan ng product na nandito i-achieve yun. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of my new videos every week. And without further ado, if you would like to know my thoughts about this soap product from JeLixer Shoppe, keep on watching and let's get started! Wait lang guys. Coffee is the best thing in the morning. Okay, so as you can see, meron na akong almost full face of makeup. Ayan. Para lang ang aking kilay. So you see guys, kahit anong ilagay na makeup sa face, kung wala kang kilay, hindi siya talaga maganda tignan. Ayan o, nakakatawa. So, eto na nga, papakita ko na nga sa inyo. This is Eyebrow Soap from JeLixer Shoppe. Ayan, sana nakikita nyo. So, pag inopen siya, hindi ko pa ito nabubuksan guys, although tinignan ko lang. So, ganyan siya. So, ito yung pinaka-product, and then you also have one spoolie or eyebrow brush. And then, right here is a set of instructions, which is good thing sa mga hindi pa marunong gumamit ng brow soap. And then, babasahin ko lang yung claims. So, ang claims nito is to help you achieve that natural bushy look ng brows. It is organic and FDA approved. It is made up of aloe vera, coconut oil, and castor oil to promote hair growth. And this is available in 3 shades. And ang sabi sa akin ni Ate Jelly, this is in brown, yung nakuha ko. Wala, hindi ko mabuksan. Ano ba, girl? Angat ako ng angat na ganyan. I-slide pala siya. So, yan. So, ang sabi dito sa instructions, wet or spray the brush. So, meron akong face mist dahil wala akong water in a bottle. Oh, ano daw? And then, rub the brush onto the brow soap. Oh, na-miss ko to. So, ganyan. Dadamihan ko dahil alam niyo naman. Tatry ko muna ng ganito kadami. Ayan. Kasama sa instructions, brush your brows upward to any direction that you want to style your eyebrows. So, pataas daw. Sana lang hindi siya kumalat sa mukha ako, diba? Sige na nga, zoom in ko na nga kayo. Nahihiya naman ako. Oh my God, ngayon lang ulit ako nag-zoom in ng ganito. But anyway, ayan na siya. I kind of like it dahil napakapal niya yung kilay. And yung kulay niya na brown is sakto lang sa akin. I feel like hindi ko na kailangan mag-fill in if ever. Diba? Tingnan natin. So, pataas. Kung gusto mong super bushy, ayan. Fill the gaps with eyebrow pencil or brow pomade if you want to add more define and fullness to your eyebrows. So, ayun na nga. Fill in mo na lang siya kung hindi ka satisfied sa ganitong kilay. Kita niyo yung difference, guys, ang kilay. So, ayan. Brushin mo lang. So, aayusin ko yung dito sa part na to. And, aalisin ko na din yung mga lumagpas. Okay, so good thing is napakapal niya yung kilay. Kung makapal yung kilay mo kaysa dito sa akin, perfecto para sa'yo kasi hindi mo na kailangan mag-fill in and everything. Brow soap lang, sapat na. Pero ako, gusto kong ma-achieve yung patusok na kilay. So, itatry ko siyang i-achieve. Nagdadagdag ako. Yung siguro yung ganito kadami, ang tagal mo mauubos, no? Kahit araw-araw ka maganto. Carry lang. Hindi ko pala natanong yung price, guys. Dahil yun nga, ano to, sponsored mo. Pero ilalagay ko na lang somewhere here. Yan, yung price. Kung nakukulangan ka pa, dagdag ka lang. Pero ako, I think that's fine. Yan yung shape na gusto ko. So, ganito yung itsura niya, guys. Ito yung may brow soap. Ito yung wala. Obviously. So, ayan. And then, ngayon maglalagay ako ng brow powder. Ito yung lagi kong ginagamit. Maybelline. Pag-graduate na to eh. But anyway. Sige. Fill in natin yung dulo na part. Yun nga, mas mukhang fuller yung brows. Mukhang mas makapal. So, gagawin natin tong side na to. And, gamit tong malinis na spoolie, ayusin ko yung shape niya. Okay, so, ngayon naman, babalik ako dun sa brow powder. Ayan. So, dahil sa brow soap din, kitang-kita mo yung gaps na kailangan mong lagyan or i-fill in. Pero, again, depende na yun sa inyo. For everyday makeup, I think okay na yun. Kung gusto nyo talagang baba-boom, pakak na kilay, eto na yan, sisi ko. Ay, nako. I'm back! And, just like that, kumpleto na ang ating look. Ayusin ko lang yung banda dito kasi nga medyo makalat siya. Pero kung clear naman siguro walang problema. But anyway, lagay lang tayo ng pulbos konti. So, ayan na po. Ipa-flat ko lang siya. So, kung may mga gaps pa, lagyan nyo na lang. Sige. Bunutin natin yung mga sobra. Ayan. So, hindi ko na talaga ina-achieve yung pantay. Sobrang pantay na kilay. So, okay na yan sa akin. Lakas model, artista, whatever. Malakas makaganda ng kilay. Perfect na to, and I would use this, honestly. Maa-abuse sa akin tong product na to. Woo! Girl! Nakita ko yung difference niya, guys. So, sa paglalagay ko ng brows dati, bago ko gumamit nito, hindi ko ma-achieve yung ganito ka-full na brows kung walang brow soap, honestly. Natitame niya talaga yung brow hairs, which I really like. Dahil alam niyo na, habang patagal ng patagal yung makeup niyo, or yung eyebrow product na nilagay niyo, chances are, babagsak yung brow hair. So, ayan, brow soap helps din para, dun lang siya, besh. Mas okay sa akin yung effect niya compared sa brow gel. Gusto ko tong side na to. Flex natin. Nakakailang flex ka na, girl! Ayan, gusto ko siya. Ay, nako. I am so myself pag makeup videos talaga. Lumalabas ang kaartehan mo, Neneng B. And since we're done with the demo / try-on, doon naman tayo sa overall thoughts ko, no? I think I like it. I mean, kung hindi kayo matyaga magkilay and you just need that natural, bushy, everyday eyebrows, I think you should try this. It will save a lot of time and effort dahil nabibigyan niya ng structure, ng texture yung inyong eyebrows. Para konting effort na lang sa pag-fill in if ever, diba? And yeah, that is it for my review of this Eyebrow Soap from JeLixer Shoppe. Thank you so much, Ate Jelly, for sending this product to me. I would love to try yung clear and black na brow soaps. Bikini Mint. And if you want to try this product, you can find JeLixer Shoppe on Facebook. Ilalagay ko na lang yung link sa description box. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. Sana nakatulong ko sa inyo. And if it did, give this video a thumbs up and let me know in the comments below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyo makita sa channel ko. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you on my next vlog. Bye!